Let's talk time. Making and confirming appointments in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on a very practical aspect of English, making and confirming appointments. This is a key skill, whether you're planning to travel, work, or even study in an English-speaking environment. So, let's get started. When you want to schedule an appointment, you can use a variety of phrases. Let's start with the most straightforward one. I would like to make an appointment. It's polite and clear. However, there are more ways to say it. Here are a few examples. Could we arrange a time to meet? Is there a suitable time for you to meet? Can we schedule a meeting? Remember, after proposing an appointment, it's common to suggest a time or date. You might say, how about next Tuesday at 3 p.m.? Or, does Friday morning work for you? Once you have proposed a time and the other person has agreed, it's important to confirm the details. Here are some phrases you might use. So we are meeting next Monday at 10 a.m., right? Just to confirm, our meeting is on Thursday afternoon. Let's set it in stone. We are meeting this Friday at your office. Confirming is a great way to make sure both parties understand the time, date, and location of the appointment. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes we need to change our plans. If you need to reschedule an appointment, here are some phrases you can use. Unfortunately, I need to reschedule our meeting. Could we possibly change the date of our appointment? Something came up, and I won't be able to make it on Wednesday. After proposing a change, remember to suggest a new time or date just like you did when making the appointment. There you have it, folks. You've now learned how to make, confirm, and change appointments in English. These phrases will come in handy in all sorts of situations, from professional settings to personal arrangements. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try using these phrases the next time you're scheduling an appointment in English. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!